Welcome everyone. Today we are going to use real-time streaming data for analysis. In today's world, we need to act accordingly in many situations where data is a real-time one, like stocks data, weather report, market data, flight availability, train seat availability. On these many equations, we need something where we can just check out the live status of these data. So today we are going to show real-time streaming data analysis on US stocks. It's important for stocks and market analysis to have a report on live data where the user can choose the view they need on a particular stock or maybe the trade they need to visualize before doing the trade. So for that, the user might need a real-time report so that he can act accordingly. So we are using Microsoft Fabric and Copilot for this course of action. So I will show the use of Microsoft Copilot that we did in this code. Excuse me. So here you can see that we asked Copilot for the help of changing the column types. So this thing we just copied from here and pasted in this part. Then we also needed the system time when the code will get the data. On that time, we need the timestamp for that. We used this code snippet provided by Copilot for that purpose. And also, we asked how to save this data frame from Panda to a CSV file. All these implementations are done in Microsoft Fabric. So let's go to Microsoft Fabric. So we actually did all this part in Microsoft Fabric Synapse Data Engineering. We created a notebook for our course of action. We are fetching data from this central chart. So from here, we are taking two different tables. One is NASDAQ, another one is NYSE stocks. So for that, we are web scraping the data from these tables and putting it on our data frame in pandas. So after that, we are just saving the whole data frame into a CSV file in our lakehouse. After doing that, we are changing the column types according to our need and saving those in delta format. Why delta format? Because in Fabric, it enables us to use this delta file directly for our report because it generates an automatic SQL endpoint and a semantic link from this delta table where we can create our multiple views, different SQL queries, different measures, and also model the data we are getting. So first step is done, getting ready with the notebook. After that, we needed a real-time data from this website. This is a free website. There are also many free websites you can get your data of stocks from there. So we used the data engineering pipeline feature provided in Fabric where we created this pipeline notebook and we did schedule run on this one. Currently it's off. I'm just showing you how to switch it on. Select a frequency on which this data will be captured through the notebook. If you want it by minute, then minute, and put the minute like it's on a 1 minute interval or a 2 minute interval, and from which date to which date this pipeline will get triggered. So I'm just putting it today's date and time and end date of Tuesday maybe. Okay. So after this is done, you just need to hit apply, and this pipeline will get triggered in every 2 minutes from this time to this time. What it will do? It will run the notebook on every 2 minutes and will fetch data from the API and put it on the data frame. On from that data frame, we will generate the delta file that get appended on our lakehouse. So I'm closing it over here. We did that part. So I'm heading for the lakehouse. Yeah, these are the two delta files we are having, delta tables. You can see, and from here there is an SQL endpoint. So what it's provide, it can help us with new measures, different views on our table that we want to see, like selecting top 10, selecting top 30 from any stock. We can also model our data using this model part and query by SQL query. We did all those, and we also created few measures here and here, and made a report from this new report. Or you can just connect this lake house with your Power BI to get the report from your current data. So why it's important? Yeah, because in this delta table, the data get updated on the frequent run of the pipeline. And just on a refresh, the Power BI report will also get automatically refreshed from this current data. So no need to work additionally. It's Fabric feature that's enabling us. We already did a report on this. Let me just show you. Yeah, there we go. So it showing the data report from the delta tables. There is the Nasdaq one, then here is the NSE one, and an user can have their own customized report on a particular stock on a basis of their timestamp, like how the trend is going on the market, uh, what can be the predicted line from the BI report, and it's get automatically updated as the new data comes in on the delta table. So that's it. Thank you.